My philosophy in life. Good day everyone, this is James Dennis Mersan. I'm currently taking the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. I'm pursuing and keep striving in every challenges that I'm facing, so never give up. Even though there are problems, stress that we are facing, put this as a guidance or motivation because kapag mas inuna mong magpatalo, mahuli ka. Huwag mong unahan ang talo kundi iset mo ito as lesson sapagkat ang panalo ay may disiplina at syaga. Kahit paunti-unti, at least umuusad. That's why my philosophy is mas maganda nang lumalaban kahit natatalo, at least hindi sumusuko. Kasi sa laro, may moral lesson kang matututunan. Minsan natatalo, minsan nananalo. Sa laro, may makukuha kang achievement, gayon din sa realidad. Kaya naman, huwag sumuko hanggang makamit ang achievement. Una sa lahat, to put God first in everything I do. I believe that through faith, hard work, and perseverance, I can strive to achieve my goals while remaining humble, disciplined, and guided by His purpose. And that's all for my vlog. Thank you for watching and